Alright, back out in the garage again. 1991 Suzuki lt230e. Today I'm actually headed outside. I'm going to try to take on some sandblasting. That's my 85 lt230s. Got to get that back together today. So we're going to do some sandblasting. And I'm in upstate New York, and it's been a long winter here this year. It literally snowed a couple days ago, and it's April 21st. So this is what I got set up here. I have a little cabinet sandblaster, but it's not big enough for the like the rear swing arm that I'm going to try to get sandblasted today. So basically I set up a big tarp here hanging off my garage. I got this cardboard, kind of made an octagon out of it to hopefully contain most of the sand. Got my 5-gallon bucket of sandblasting sand. You know, it's not like regular place sand from Home Depot or anything. It's actual sandblasting sand. I think it's something oxide. I'd have to look on the box. Yeah, so basically there's my sandblasting gun, air hose, air compressor, and that's the swing arm. As you can see, you know, it's quite rusty and looks like hell. So I'm going to see what this sandblaster can do. And got my sandblasting hood there. If you do this, make sure you have one of those, because this stuff flies everywhere. That's why I got the cardboard. I'm hoping to contain most of it, because this stuff here, the sand isn't cheap. It's not like $5, it's like $30. So that's that. I'm set up, and I'm going to do some work and get back. Okay, got the swing arm all sandblasted. Looks better. I still got to go through with some like Scotch-Brite pads to get the little nooks and crannies that I couldn't get. But I don't know how well you can see that, but definitely a lot better. Got rid of 98% of that rust. And like I said, now I got to do a little bit of detail work before I degrease it to get ready for paint. But it's what she looks like. And that's the mess that you make when you sandblast. So anyhow, I'm going to get into cleaning this thing up and getting ready for paint, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, getting ready to clean up this swing arm. I just want to show you real quick what I'm using. I'm going to use this VHT Caliper Cleaner. This stuff's like 15-16 bucks a can, but I was lucky. I was at a car show yesterday, and they're doing a blowout thing. I think I paid like $4 for the can. And it's really aggressive cleaner, because it's for calipers, which obviously get greasy and break dust and all that other shit. So it's a really good product. I'm going to use it on the swing arm to get whatever grease and whatever other crap is left on it off. So I'm going to go around and do that and see how she comes out. Alright, once again, back out working on the Suzuki lt230e. I was showing earlier, prepping to sandblast the swing arm. Got it all done. Basically, I don't have the degreaser here that I use, but it's a VHT degreaser. I cleaned it with that, then I cleaned it with the denatured alcohol. Got it really good. Once that was done, then I went ahead and painted it. So that's what she looks like now. And the paint that I used is this VHT engine enamel. I got the black cap on it, but it's actually, obviously you can tell it's gray. So I used that, and then they recommend baking it at 200 degrees for 1 hour. So I did that. You could do it right in your oven at home. If you have a wife or girlfriend at home, I don't recommend it. It stinks a little bit, but I put a fan out the back door and kind of kept it blown out while it was curing. But that basically speeds up the curing process, because if not, it could take up to like 21 days. And as you're trying to put this thing back together, you're just going to bang the shit out of it. But anyhow, that's the end result. Doesn't look too bad. So moving on.